channel AKS Bright. Yeah, this video we are discuss about how to using the for loop, while loop, then do while loop. So already if you first nested switchers, already I posted the one video. So now continue this video. So looping using the C program. Okay. So iterations control structures. The three types of iteration control structures used in C: for, while, do while. Okay. So for loop means this. For loop is on entry check loop. Okay. For loop means entry check loop. It contains the initialization, testing, and modifier expression, which is a single set of the parenthesis syntax for initialization, condition, increment or decrement, open bracket, statement, and close bracket. Okay. Yeah, that is the for loops. So here the initialization the value that will be assigned to the variable. The condition is to testing the expression that it used to determines whether the loop should continue or to be terminated. And the third expression is the modifier expression that change the value of the looping variable. The three expressions are terminated by the semicolon. The modifier expression is the usually executed at the end of the iteration after executing the body of the loop. The expressions can be omitted, but it will occur the less frequently. Even the loop does not contain the one or more expression, it must be separately by the semicolon. Yeah, see this program. We have to print the 1 to 5. 1 to 5. So print the value sample publications. So we have to print anything. Okay. I give this word repeatedly print. So loop means the repeated processing called the loop. So when your condition is false, automatically that loop is skip out. So otherwise the loop is repeatedly. Okay. So program include stdio.h header files, void main, initialization value integer a, so a equal 0, a less than 5, a plus plus. So condition a 0 less than 5 condition is true. First sample complete print. Next a equal to 3 less than 5 condition true. Again print the sample 3 times, the third time. Then fourth time a value is increased, a less than 5 condition true. Yeah, the fourth time print this value. Then again a value increase, a value 5 less than 5 conditions false, skipped. So we have to print 0 to 5. So 5 times print this value. Yeah, 5 times print this value. Understood? Then another one is loop is the nested for loop. There are two for loops using here. The nested for loop is the loop inside the another loop. The nested for loop is a logical structures used in the computer programming where the two repeated statements are placed in a nested form. When the inner loop complete, the outer loop is executed. For is the second iteration. For initialization condition, increment or decrement, for initialization condition, increment or decrement, statements and statement. So first of all condition check, come to the inner loop. Inner loop the overall condition completed, after go to the outer loop. Yeah, this is the rules for nested statement. Okay, here check this program. A and B, enter the A value and B value. A equal to 1, A less than 3, A plus plus condition true, come to the inner loop. B equal to 1, B less than 3, B plus plus. Print. So P word value print. A value and P value print. Again is continue this program. Complete the B part, after go to the outer loop. Outer loop complete, conditions true. Execute the 2 times. So third times the conditions false, skip out. Okay. This example is to display the value of the variable and AB by the increase the value 1 by 1. The first for loop is for the variable and the A and the second for loop for the variable in B. When the first for loop's condition is true, when the second for loop check its condition and execute the body of the loop until its conditions fail. When the second for loop's conditions fail, then the control is transferred to the first for loop. where is increase the value of the variable and he executes the loop till the condition is failed. Okay. So then while loop. While loop is a entry check loop. The test expressions are enclosed when within the parenthesis statement in the while loop is executed still the conditions are true. The while loop conditions when the conditions fail, the loop is terminated immediately and the continue the statements following the while expression statement. Yeah, we have to print the even numbers. So 10 times your loop is processing. Say a value 1, 1 less than equal 10 condition true. 1 into 2, 2 print. Again a values increase. So simultaneous repeated processing how many times? 10 times. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Just 20 times your, so 10 times your loop is executed, print the even numbers. Okay. So do while loop. Do while loop means exit check loop. This loop is will execute this least once even when the condition is false. The condition is the false. After the first iteration, the loop is terminated. However, the loop is continued when the condition is true. The major difference between the loop and while loop and do while loop is the loop. While loop is to check the condition and after the print. So first of all, check the condition after print the statement for using the while loop. Do while means condition true or false. We first of all print the statement after check the condition. That is called the exit check loop. Okay. The statement whereas do the while loop they execute the statement at least once before checking the condition. Yeah, print the one to the syntax do statement while condition program say equal 0. So print the value welcome a plus plus a less than 5. So 5 times the welcome statement is printing. 5 times loop. The first condition true. True or false. So first print the welcome statement after execute increase the value is increment the value after check the condition. So 1 less than 5 or condition true. Print the statement again. So doing. So 5 times repeated process in this while loop. Okay, this first variable is the initialization 0. Then we'll first execute the body of the loop and then we'll check the condition. The loop will be continued long as the condition is true. Terminated when the condition is failures. Okay, so all of you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share your friends. Bye.